The Sun Angle Interactive Calculator determines solar positioning data for any location and time of year. Let's explore the input fields. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options: sun position, elevation and azimuth, solar noontime, day length and sunrise sunset, incident angle on tilted surface, hour angle from solar time, or solar declination for date. We'll use sun position for this demonstration. Enter your latitude in degrees, longitude in degrees, day of year from 1 to 365, and local solar time in hours. For our worked example, I'll input latitude 40.7 degrees, longitude 10 degrees, day of year 172, which is June 21st, and local solar time 12.0 hours for solar noon. After clicking Calculate, the results show solar elevation at 72.75 degrees, meaning the sun is high in the sky. Solar azimuth reads 180.00 degrees, indicating the sun is due south. Zenith angle shows 17.25 degrees, which is the angle between vertical and the sun's position. Solar declination is 23.45 degrees, representing the sun's angular distance from the celestial equator. This data is essential for solar panel positioning and architectural shading analysis. Find the link in the description below.